here is the video you are waiting for. Get all Adobe Softwares 2024 up-to-date free in just 3 minutes. Welcome in day 2 of decoding the secrets of editing. First C, I have 8 days left on this account named Crazy Man. Now go to Chrome browser and create a new profile. Search Adobe 14 Days Business Trial. Go to this website. Tap on Start Free Trial. Enter Gmail address and other details. Make sure to add country as a United States and choose City, California. Now copy the link from my bio and paste in your Chrome browser. Select State to California and tap Generate. Now copy the zip code and phone number of this person. Go to previous website and enter it here. Tap Continue. Create a password for this Adobe account, and don't forget to write it down in your notes. Enter any date of birth, and tap on Create Account. Enter the code that you receive on your Gmail. Now, if you are using this method first time, then you will get this successful trial message. But when you use it second time on new Chrome profile, it will say your free trial expired. But don't worry, just open the same website in any other browser and filling the same details here. You will get your free trial. Now open Creative Cloud application and sign out the current account. Enter the Gmail ID and password you just created. Tap Continue. You can see every softwares are still here, which is up to date. This is the same Gmail address and same name which we created earlier. You can use this method unlimited times. All you need is just a Gmail address. Comment decoding edits, and I will give you free Gmail address, generator website. See you on day 3 of decoding the secrets of editing.